Hello, welcome to another Coburn Supply Quick Tip. My name is Dustin Bouquet. Today I'm going to be going over some RD17 installation quick tips. Rude's RD17AZ universal heat pump can be used in all sorts of different applications. It comes equipped with its own onboard transformer, so it can be hooked to legacy equipment with just 2 wires. If it's connected to a matched Rude communicating Econet system, there is now a transformer in the outside unit and the inside unit. Both transformers are used to power control boards that provide communication on the Econet system. Only 2 wires need to be ran between communicating equipment when using an RD17. The transformers on both pieces of equipment need to be identically connected to the same phases of main power, like shown here. If the transformers are connected differently to the phases of main power, we'll blow a fuse and the system won't work. We see here the transformers are connected differently, so if we power this one up, we'll blow a fuse. We have a 50-50 shot of getting it right, so we need to verify it before powering up the system with all of our wiring connected. We can verify the transformers are phased correctly with a meter. Again, we need to verify this before connecting our communication wires E1 and E2. Checking across the two 24-volt power wires should produce a very close to 0 reading on the meter. If the transformers are not phased correctly, the meter will read somewhere around 48 volts. This would indicate we need to swap the L1, L2 main power wires at the outdoor unit. Since the two transformers aren't usually very close to each other, we can temporarily connect one of our communication wires to R at the indoor equipment and check both R conductors outside with a meter. We power up both pieces of equipment and take our measurement. At this point, there shouldn't be any other control wires connected between the equipment. The 24-volt R can be found on the control board in the outdoor unit labeled as R. If 48 volts is found, we need to power down the equipment and swap the L1 and L2 shown here. Once we have verified a 0 volts reading across our 2 R's, we are finished with verifying the transformers are phased correctly and can proceed with our startup and commissioning. The RD17 does not have to be connected communicating. It can also be connected legacy using 5 control wires. We bring a common Y1, Y2, B, which is the reversing valve, and supplemental heat output W. This mode provides no modulation and is simply 2 OR stages of operation and cooling or heating. Adding a jumper between the U1 and U2 terminals when wired legacy enables the Rude algorithm. The Rude algorithm allows the unit to be connected to reasonably unmatched equipment. Once U1 and U2 are jumpered, the unit ignores any Y2 command and modulates itself based on saturated suction pressure. The unit will modulate to maintain about a 45-degree evaporator temperature. In this case, we only need 4 wires for modulating heat pump or 2 wires for modulating cool only. As always, thank you for partnering with us here at Coburn Supply. Check us out at www.coburns.com and be sure to download our free Coburn's Connect app available on iOS and Android.